So I'm going to what's meant to be the best street food stall in Thai. I don't know what that was about. With the food after. Can't really take any of that home though, can we? Yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna try and get this street food cart thing, best street food in Thai. But I've been there the past few days and I've not been able to get a seat, so let's try again. On we go. Just round this corner. Let's see if we can get any. See if we can get it. Oh, there's a spare seat. Oh, there's not. Oh, well, we're going to sit there anyway. Right, here we go. Spare seat. What do we want? I'm just going to get some pad thai chicken because you can't go wrong with that. Hello. A very busy stall, this stall. Pad thai chicken, please. That's it. She's already eaten. Thank you. Right, so this is the stall what I've seen on everybody's YouTube. Here's another one. These stickers people have put on. It's not about my sticker. I never think of these things till I see someone else's. Is that mine? Yes. All fresh. Freshly cooked. After your cooking classes, you got to learn to cook Thai. There's a manual cell. Tip box. Don't forget to tip. And let's have a look at this. Oh. I use chopsticks all of a sudden. I don't know why, because I normally can. I might have to get me a spoon and there we go. You can tell by my face smiling. Smiling face, that means it's good. Just getting some cutlery for this. An egg on top. Got that egg. There's my chicken. And my egg, noodles, everything. Nuts. You come to Pai, come here. It's always busy. Ginger tea from a ginger tea guy. Oh, that's good as look. Oh, the ginger. Wow. Oh, I'm going to miss Thailand. I mean, I've only been here 1 week out of 12. I'm thinking about missing it already. Right, so that's all I want to show you. A short vlog, but I just wanted to show you this place that does the most amazing food. I wish I could try everything. Or maybe I will, but time I go home. One last look. And it's goodbye from my pad thai. Goodbye. Gyoza queen. Okay, Gyoza queen. Behind me. There you are. Vegetable, shrimp and chicken. Shrimp doesn't go with chicken, does it? It does here. Shrimp and chicken, octopus and chicken, pork and chicken. 6 pieces, 65 baht. 10 pieces, 100 baht. 1540. Add cheese 30. Double cheese 50. I never thought of adding cheese and gyozas. They're not mine, but there we go. They're yours. Orange, guava, passion fruit, lychee, mixed fruits, beetroot and lemon. Lemon and honey. Oh, that'd be nice. 35. We've got some lemon honey juice. I like my lemon and honey. All right. Yeah. Waiting for number 18. What number are we at? No, I'm 18 on that one. There's mine getting cooked. Fried. So they're all getting handmade at the back, as you see. She's making the dough over there. Let's have a look. And making the dough. And then she's shaping it with all the stuff inside it. There's all the vegetables going in it. Over your face. Well, she does it every day. 7 days a week. There's mine. Thank you. Oh, there we go. She puts on the cup and cap. They might be a bit hot at the moment to taste. Yeah, so I'm going to try these gyozas. Hopefully they're not going to burn me tongue. They're roasted. They're bloody good. They're roasted, but they're good. Very good. Very good gyozas. Paid about 120 for them. £4.20. 65 bahts. I'm going to put this down now. I'm going to say bye-bye again. I always say bye-bye about 4 times in these videos. Bye.
Well, mine is not trying to solve problem in all areas to before it's concerning. Maybe got. Actually, yeah, I'm on that. Fine, because of course, it has to that be killing is again at that problem. Later, after the last one, the first time, perceive is at them, near recording. I could tell that also guide. I'm just almost not explaining it, and then formed. That's shit. Wait,